good advice right there. And then you got an extra request here. Oh, so I didn't get this whole cooking show on tape. Get if I come out of the dentist. I'm gonna whip up something quick, so I didn't have time to do the filming tonight. Sometimes it just goes down like that. I want you to check out that stir fry. Pork stir fry on the G walk and the G money walk. It's a champion. Got that G walk putting up all that heat. My goodness. Why do we as kids love to play in boxes? I mean, I was the same way. Mom buy me a toy. We'll get the toy out of the box and I'd play in the box. That's that Santa Claus suit I wore to that bikini contest. I'm gonna ship it down to the village, hold on to it. This dude loves playing in boxes. I just got over there reading something. You got a bowl of chips. You got half the chips over here in the box. I mean, take a look. There's so many chips in here. I have 1,000,000 damn ants. Good job, son. You getting them chips in that box? All right, well, eat them all, man, because we don't want no ants coming up in that box tonight. Show them your hair. Wow, beautiful. And who did your hair? Wow, you're a good hairdresser. Her hair looks beautiful. Looks like you did a rebond. Bye, ladies. Beautiful ladies walking down the street. Who's that lady?
Hello, guys.
All right, baby, you rock out the cooking show. We got that videoke going on in the background.
Yeah, rock and roll, baby. What I doing here? I don't know how. Tara guys, magluto tag chicken. It's my show. O, nagbutang ko karang onion. Si Marcos ganahan kay kaon ana. Wala mo. Kung naboringan mo, ay magtanaw, ha? yeah. Hi, Baba. Hi, Baba.
They look beautiful. Did you talk to the camera?
Little bit.
A little bit.
Yeah. You know me, my daughter.
You're doing a great job cooking.
But I'm not tall enough in here. I need to try.